Okay, so if you're having this Exchange error when you open up the Microsoft Exchange Management Console, you're going to get this attempt to connect error message that the kerberos authentication is failing. It's just giving you this kind of long description of what the error could be. What you need to do is go ahead and close this out, open up services, and go down to World Wide Web, which is IIS. So we're going to go ahead and right click on that service and do restart. And make sure your management console is closed during this time. So let's wait for this to restart. It might take a little bit here. So this is taking a little bit longer than normal. That's fine. I'm going to go ahead and just pause the video here and I'll resume once we're back. Alright, you can see it finally, let's refresh here. And it started back up. So we're going to go ahead and close out of that. Now reopen your management Exchange console. For that to load here. Click on Exchange on premise. And it should start to load here and we should be able to reconnect. I'll go ahead and pause it here because this is a big environment, so it's probably taking a little bit to connect here. Here we go, it's almost done loading. And there you have it. And now you can drill down to your mailboxes and all your configuration. And that's how you can fix that error. Hope this was helpful to someone out there. Thanks, guys.